Hey guys, this is SPC Gens 210 along with
SPC date 4566.
and today I am going to be doing a winter storm warning scroll video on my weather areas. Here's the Recom R1630, one of them I have. It got unplugged so it lost the message. Here's my other Recom R1630. It somehow expired. And there's the time it was issued at, 3:10. Here's the 521 scroll. Here's the WR300 scroll. Here's the HH54VP2 scroll. Here's the 262 scroll. 2 hours until it expires. It's 2 hours, 5 minutes on here. The white WR100, 2002. I like how it says Winter S. Whoa. Wow, okay. Good thing it's not broken, thank God.
Storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring.
We know. I like how it says Winter S. Okay. The Black and Silver WR100, you can see it didn't go off, but I'm gonna give it a scroll video anyway. Okay. Whoa.
This winter Friday to 7 a.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a winter storm warning.
Okay, and that's it for the scroll day. Thank you for watching. This has been SPC for Gens 210 along with
SPC date 4566, and have a great night.
Yep, and we will see you later.